Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Boomerang video on mobile. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android device, the steps remain the same. The first thing you will need to do is download the Snapchat app if you don't have it already. Once in Snapchat, as you can see here, you can simply tap on the circle to record your video. After recording your video, you will see the menu option on the right hand corner. You simply want to slide it up. Then you're going to see the option Snap Timer. That's the last option in the bottom right hand corner. You're going to tap on that. Then you can simply tap on it again. Then tap on it again and you will see the loop option. After selecting the loop option, you will tap on Save in the bottom left hand corner. And the video will automatically be saved to your camera roll. Now, if it isn't saved to your camera roll, what you'll need to do is simply tap on your Bitmoji in the top left hand corner. That's your profile pic. Then you're going to tap on the settings cog in the top right hand corner. And from here, you're going to simply scroll down and select Memories. Then you will see the option Save button. You're going to tap on that and select Camera Roll. So now whenever you do a snap, for example, again, the boomerang, it will automatically be saved to your camera roll, and then you can simply upload it to Instagram or wherever you like. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.